Hey, today I decided to work on my doorbell. I have an old house and I have a doorbell right there. It's right there. And it's not working. No light. That means no power. I went to Best Buy and bought me a newer version for security. So I bought this. It's a Ring Pro. I got free item that goes with it. It's the Echo Show 5. Okay, the problem is there is no power there, so I need to fix the problem. All right. So I was wondering um, where is my transformer for my doorbell? Maybe it's behind that. So I will remove that and check if the transformer is there. Okay, so this is how it looks like without the cover, and I need to remove the screws right there. Okay, so I'm at a dead end right here. I don't see any transformer. I have my tester right here, and it says it has power, meaning my transformer is working. Now I'm back here in the front porch. So this is my old doorbell right here. It doesn't have any light. It used to have light right there, but nothing. So let's test it. No power. See that? No power. I don't know if there's something wrong with the wiring. The challenge now is, where is my transformer? Alright, I'll let you know when I find it. Alright, so I followed the wire track, so let me show it to you. So I believe that this is the wire right here. This is actually covered by all of these insulations right here. So right there, this wire actually goes all the way to right there. So I believe this is the transformer of my doorbell. Thank God it's a little bit colder now, because if I'm here during the heated summer, I wouldn't last on top of the attic. But this is where my AC system is. It's right there behind me, and this is the transformer checking the line right here. The hot wire is cut. Actually, it's right there. So I need to reconnect that wire to that right there and see if this is still good. When I had my AC system replaced, they probably stepped on the wire that caused the cutting. Okay, it looks like the transformer is good. So let's see if there you go. That's not you? Hold on. Hold on, ah. All right, can you press it? Press it again. Press it again. Sige pa, sige pa. All right, we're good. Press it again. Press it. Wala. All right, so I found it. All right, thank you. All right, I'm sweating now. Anyway, since I already found the transformer, and it says here uh, 16 volts, so this probably could be compatible with my ring too. So let me just see if this will work. So as you see, that red wire right there was disconnected. It was cut from that of the connector right there on the right side, and the black one needs to be connected to on the left side. That's the power. So yep, let me try that. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm trying to rewire it, reconnect the wires together. So this, I just connected the red wire, and I'm gonna be connecting the hot wire, the black, together, and then I'll connect them to the transformer right here. Right. Okay, there you are. I have connected the wire together, and this wires will go right there. A while ago, there was no current flowing through the transformer to the switch. I was able to connect that. I was able to find it, and then I I disconnected the old doorbell, since I have a chime that goes with the ring, so that is what I'm going to use. So this is the wire that is connected to this, and a while ago there was no power there. Okay, so I finally got it working. It's powered up, so the wires was powered. I installed the doorbell, as you see, right? The ring there. So next thing is to connect it to the app. Right. And I have to go to the app now and connect my doorbell. Alexa, show front door camera.
Okay.